Hey guys, happy Tuesday. So for today, you need to complete, well, let's go to it. You need to complete for ELA, you need to complete the syllable LE worksheet, and you're just combining the two spelling patterns and writing them right here. So juggle becomes juggle, like so. And you're also going to be completing your comprehension for what can you do. So, without further ado, let's go ahead and read this together and then talk about it after. So here we go. If it'll, let's try it one more time.
I know a boy who can draw very well, and a girl who can climb very high. We are all good at doing something. We are always learning new things as we get older.
So, comment below. I would love for you to all tell me one thing that you think that you're really good at, and then one thing that you want to learn, something new that you want to learn to be good at. All right, so something that I'm really good at is working out. I love lifting weights. I love just doing activities. I think I'm really good at it. But something that I want to learn, something new that I want to learn is to, let's see. I want to learn how to play an instrument. I would love to learn how to play the guitar. And so tell me, what's one thing that you're really good at, and what's one thing that you want to learn that's new to you?
I liked to swim and learned how to float. I had to practice. Once I learned, I felt like I could float for hours.
Doesn't it feel awesome after you've been trying and practicing something for it to finally happen? Don't you feel so accomplished? It's awesome. It's the best feeling ever. You're so proud of yourself.
My little brother is better on skis. He can ski much faster than I can. We're happy when we do something well, whatever that might be. Reading is easy for me, but math is much harder. I'd like to be better at math, though. I can't read very well yet. I wish I could. It can take a long time to be good at something. If we practice, things get easier and easier to do.
And that's so true. And even in this remote learning, this crazy time, at first it was really, really, really hard. And I'm sure it was really, really, really hard for you. And hopefully, the more that you were doing it, it got easier and easier. And hopefully we won't have to do it anymore after this year. But things get easy after you practice and you try your hardest, right?
Marie knows how to spell, and Jill prints well. Jean is really good at anything that has to do with computers. I haven't discovered what I'm good at yet.
And that's okay. It's okay if you don't think you're good at anything yet, but it will all come and something will really strike your interest and you'll just be totally into it and you'll be really good at it. And that's what's really exciting.
Nathan writes funny stories about science. Some of the funniest ones are about a baby robot. Beth likes to build. The biggest tower she ever built was taller than she is. I made the soccer team this year. I hope I play well enough to score a goal. I see lots of things in the park. I look near and far. Things look much closer through my binoculars. We all like to do what we do best. When things are hard, we need help to learn. We might say, I don't get it. We're good at different things.
So, just to talk about this a little more, we like doing what we're good at, right? Things that we're not so good at, we don't really like to do. It's not as fun. But if we practice those things that we're not really good at, they'll get easier and easier. And you know what? You'll start liking them more. I promise you. I swear. Because I took a really hard course in college and I didn't like it at all. And then I started practicing it more and more and more. And then eventually, by the end of the course, I kind of thought it was interesting. I kind of liked doing the equations. It was chemistry because I was about to be a nurse. So I was doing all these really hard science equations and I didn't like them at first, but I kept practicing and they got easier and easier. And by the end of the course, I really liked them.
I feed the baby myself now. When she gets bigger, she will not need help. I can fix my brother's wagon. I'm younger than my brother, but I'm good at fixing things. I got my training wheels off earlier than I thought I would. I felt very proud. The kids made me captain of our team. That was one of the happiest days of my life.
What does it mean to be captain of a team? Does anyone know? Captain of a team might be leader of the team or person who is really good at uplifting members of the team. So it's a cool honor for sure.
We have schoolwork, acting, singing, dancing, playing games or sports. We all have something we do well. What can you do?
And I already asked, or I want you to tell me one thing that you think that you're really good at. And what's going to be really cool is we're all good at different things. That's what makes us special. That's what makes us unique. That's what makes us different. But it's so cool because then you can learn from others. So let's say, um, like my husband's really good at doing stuff outside. Me, I'm not that good at I'm not just because I haven't been around it that much, but he's really good. So because he's so good at it, he can teach me more about it and then I'll start liking it more too. All right. So here is what you need to have completed for today. And this is just to talk about with a family member. And if they could sign it below, so mom, dad, brother, sister, whoever, just sign their name down here so that I know that you guys talked about it. So, number one, why is it important to try your best? Why do you think it's important to try your best? Number two, what are some things you can do? So, what are some things that you're really good at, that you're really proud of? What can the children in the story do? So, if you go back through the story, what are some things that they were really good at? Or I'm sorry, number four. How did the children learn to do new things? How do you think they learned to do new things? Number five. Which things from the story would you like to learn to do? How will you get started? So take a look back through the story and tell me one thing that you think would be really cool to learn. I would love to ski. I've never skied before and I've heard it's so much fun. All right. So please, if you'd like to share, I would love to hear from you and hear things that you think you're really good at and new things that you want to learn. Um, And yeah, we'll just go from there. But have a fabulous Tuesday. I will talk to you guys later and yeah, let me know if you have any questions, okay? Bye. Take care.